Happy birthday, Ma'am Lita Muñez. I'm so thankful and it's a blessing na nakilala ko kayo dahil mas napalapit ako sa mga kapwa ko, Nuranyan. Once again, happy birthday.
Okay, happy birthday, Miss Lita. Maraming salamat sa more than 10 years, di ba? Kasi sa Demensa 10 years. Pero before that, magkakilala na tayo dahil kay Ate Guy. So maraming salamat na nadamay ako sa pagmamahal mo kay Ate Guy. Sa
Yes.
papa mong pagmamahal kay Ate Guy, nasama ako doon.
Ayan.
So thank you and I wish you the best of health, lots of happiness, and all the best rin sa national artist natin na kumahal.
Okay, thank you.
Ready? Let's go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Nais ko pong batiin si Tita Lita Muñoz. Happy birthday. We love you.
Happy birthday! We love you!
We love you so much.
Okay.
Hindi mo lang alam.